Welcome back, guys and girls. Today we have a different vehicle. Hopefully you don't see very many videos on this vehicle because I don't really want to do a lot of work on this, and I hope I don't have to. This is something we don't see very often. This is a 25-year-old vehicle that's a 2-owner, has never seen a night outside. It's always been kept in the garage. Last year, it was driven 242 miles all year. So, let's check out the interior. It still has that new plastic car smell. All right, so I was just told we don't know where the jack is. In 21 years, we've never looked for it. We think it's behind this little shade thing that covers your cargo. Yep, that's where it was. And everything is still in there, just like it was put together at the factory, except for this. I did remove this because I need to check the spare. But then I looked down in there and I'm like, hey, what is that? Let's find out. You can go along with me. I've never had a vehicle this new, even though it's not new. So what do we got? Oh, it's on a bungee cord thing, so you can't lose it. So here's all your jacking instructions. All right, what else is down in there? Anything? I don't feel anything. And we have this. What is this? Looky there. Made in USA, General Motors. Pair of gloves, so when you're changing your tire, you don't get dirty. I assume this is to take off the little hubcap deals. And what is this? Oh, I think this is just to lay on, so you don't get dirty when you're getting the spare tire out. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Yeah, so this vehicle has the owner's manual, and it literally has a big envelope full of receipts. Then, on top of that, there's a handwritten book. Everything that's ever been done to it since when the second owner had it, and when. Dates, mileage, everything. So yeah, guys, you don't see a 25-year-old vehicle that hasn't been restored and looks like this very often. Thanks for watching.